Today we'll be installing the solo bed. This is a fairly simple installation and should take roughly 1 hour. We recommend using some help to hold the bed platform in place during installation. The solo bed is designed for installation in vans equipped with L-track and FVC bed brackets. It can be helpful to measure how high you'll want your bed to be mounted, based on the maximum length of the bed legs. Now we'll move on to installing the bed hinges in the L-track. Dry fit the hinges to the L-track and determine the desired install height of your solo bed. Take note of which holes you'll be placing your L-track studs in to mount the hinges, or directly into the bed bracket. Now you can attach the hinge assembly to the desired height along your L-track using the included L-track studs, or the 1/4-20 hardware if you're mounting directly to the bed bracket. Now it's time to assemble the bed platform legs. You'll use 2 1/4-20 button head screws per leg, with a washer and nut for each screw. You can temporarily leave these screws finger tight and fully tighten them with a socket after you have adjusted the legs to the desired height at the end of the installation. Next, you can attach both legs to the solo bed. Using the 4 1/4-20 button head screws, place them through the pre-drilled holes on the bed platform and through the mounting holes on the leg. The legs are directional, so make sure that the push button is pointed toward the center of the bed during installation. With help, attach the solo bed panel to the hinges using the 3/8 carriage bolts, washers, and lock nuts. You can leave the assembly loose and center the bed panel before tightening down the fasteners. Make sure you have clearance for the bed panel in the upright and lowered position before tightening. With the solo bed fully attached, you can now deploy the bed legs and check the leveling. If adjustment is needed, remove the 1/4-20 bolts in the legs and extend or condense the length to your preference, then reinstall the hardware and fully tighten. Additional fine-tuning can be done using the built-in leveling foot at the base of the leg. If you have the bed in the hanging configuration with no legs, you'll use the included cam straps with L-track anchors to secure the bed panel when deployed. When stowed, you'll need a way to keep the bed upright. We like to use another cam strap with an L-track anchor, but you could use whatever is most convenient for you. And that's it. If you have any questions with this install process, or have any unique fitment issues, please reach out to our product support team for assistance. Thanks for watching.